Hello everyone and welcome to the second video of the Learn HTML series. In this video I'm going to teach you the correct syntax of a basic HTML file, and we will use that file as a template for the future HTML tutorials. So let's open our text editor and start with an empty file. So here we go. I've opened my notepad. Every HTML file must start with the following line at the beginning. So +, sign, exclamation point, then doc type in uppercase, HTML, and > sign. So the doc type declaration represents the document type, and it helps browsers to display web pages correctly. So here the document type is HTML, and the browser knows that this file is HTML file. It must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. So it is not case sensitive, but best practice is to use uppercase here. So now to start our HTML document, we start with HTML and we end with HTML with a slash in front of it. So everything inside these tags is going to be our HTML document. HTML files exist of tags, and opening tags are, for example, <sign, HTML, sign, and they represent the start of a section. Closing tags like <sign, /HTML, sign, they represent the end of a section. And in between these tags, we can define the content. So from now on, I'm going to use the term opening tags and closing tags. To show the visible part of our HTML document, we need to use the body tag. So this is the opening tag of the body, and the closing tag is written like this. So inside the body section we can define the content of our page. So now we have used the correct syntax for a basic web page. We have defined our doc type, so the browser knows which type of document this is. It's the HTML file. We've defined our HTML document, and we've defined the body of our document. Now let's save this. I'm going to call this template.html. Click save, and now we have our HTML file called template. Now let's open it, and we can see that there isn't anything shown on our web page. This is correct because we only defined the structure of our HTML document without any content. So in the next video, we will learn how to add content to our web page and learn a bit more about the HTML tags called elements. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.